A Korean neighbor shared this amazing trick for chicken wings with me. Let's start by placing a tablespoon of butter in a skillet. When the butter melts, add 600 grams of chicken wings and let them fry. Don't forget to turn the wings to ensure they fry on both sides and get nice and golden. While the wings fry, let's prepare a delicious sauce. In a bowl, add 50 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard for a touch of acidity, 1 tablespoon of honey, which will add a soft and balanced sweetness, providing that perfect flavor, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of ketchup for a sweet and sour taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix carefully until all the ingredients blend perfectly, forming a smooth and well-balanced mixture. Now, let's flip the wings once more so they cook evenly. I'm sure you haven't seen a recipe like this before. You'll be amazed by the final result. Then, add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the skillet and let it cook for a few more minutes, so the wings become nice and juicy. Now pour all the sauce we prepared earlier over the wings and mix well so they are fully coated and flavorful. Let it cook a little more until the sauce thickens and becomes well seasoned, reaching a delicious flavor that will make everyone's mouth water. And our recipe is ready. Now just transfer the wings to a plate and serve. For a final touch, sprinkle a little chopped green onion on top. It adds a special charm to the recipe. This recipe proves that with creativity and a few simple ingredients, we can transform a classic recipe into something amazing. Try this Korean trick and impress everyone with these irresistible wings. Share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know the secrets and tips you use to make your recipes even more special. It's really important that you're sharing the videos and interacting with the page so I can keep bringing easy and delicious recipes like this one. And if you've watched this recipe all the way through, it means you liked it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this. Thank you for watching all the way through. See you at the next recipe and enjoy your meal.